Hey everyone, I hope you had a good weekend. I'm going to go over what's going on this week, and you are near the finish line. We are so close. So just keep up the good work and just continue to do things on the day they are due, and you should not be stressed turning in your final portfolio next week. Okay, so just keep up with what's due each day, and things should go pretty smoothly for you. Okay, so looking at what's due this week, we only have things due Tuesday, as Thursday is the reading day. If you have not done course evaluations, okay, you need to do those by Tuesday. So if you've done them already, thank you. I have one section that nearly everyone has done it, and then I have some sections where only about 20 to 30% of the students have submitted course evaluations. So these are really important. If you have not done them yet, please go ahead and do them. Not just for this class, but for all of the courses you're enrolled in. One thing that you're going to do this week that's really important, not difficult, but very important, is to convert your reader's guide into the inquiry project portfolio. So we're going to, when you submit it, it will be called a portfolio, and you're going to create a welcome page that provides some context for your audiences about what they're going to encounter. So you're not going to create a new document. You're going to work with your existing Google Doc that you've been working your reader's guide, that you have your reader's guide in, and that you've added your bonus features to. And it is crucial that you watch this walkthrough video about how to convert your reader's guide into the inquiry project portfolio. So my colleague, Professor Mahaffey, has created this video to show you how to do that, and also give you some context for why you're doing that, and some tips on what you want to consider. So after you watch the video, please read through this carefully and then follow these instructions exactly. And then there are some tips for writing your welcome message on that first page as well. So again, do not do anything until you have watched this walkthrough video, okay? So once you do that, you are going to go through this inquiry project portfolio checklist. So this is to review all the sections of your inquiry project and make sure that everything is in order and that you have everything. Okay, so you're going to go through, and if you don't have something, don't check it because that lets you know what you need to work on for revision. So you're going to go through all this. It can really also help you think about what you do need to work on. So you might want to also take some notes on things you know you want to do work on before you turn in your portfolio next week. So this is really a checklist of everything that you want to consider about your portfolio. Okay, so you'll need to do that. And then you're going to get emailed a copy of your responses, and you want to use those responses to write this revision plan. Okay, so this is the last revision plan that you'll write about what you need to work on before you turn in your inquiry project next week. Okay, so let me go back to our weeks here, and you can see next week you're going to turn in your portfolio on Tuesday, May 11th, okay? You do not have a final exam in this course. Okay, so remember, we are not meeting for any final exam online, in person. You don't have one. Your inquiry project portfolio acts as your final exam. Okay, so as I said, keep up with what's due on Tuesday. Make sure you take some time with the checklist and your revision plan, and that you follow the directions correctly on how to convert your reader's guide into the inquiry project portfolio. And again, please let me know if you have any questions. Go ahead and post them in the Ask Professor forum. And I hope you guys have a good rest of the week, and I hope to hear from you. Okay, bye.